Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. I hope you're enjoying watching my recipe and travel videos. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you never miss an update. Let's get to today's recipe, which is Kothal Guti Lau Paat Khar, which basically translates into jackfruit seeds and pumpkin leaves, which is prepared in an alkaline solution called khar. Surprised? This Assamese style recipe is super simple and makes up to an exotic side dish. And now let's check out the ingredients. Jackfruit seeds, which I have cleaned, and now I'm going to chop them into small pieces. Pumpkin leaves. Wash them thoroughly in running water and finely chop them. Slit green chilies, turmeric powder, salt as per taste, mustard oil and khar. Let's start cooking. Take a pan, then add your oil. Once hot, add your jackfruit seeds, salt and turmeric powder. Stir and cook it for 10 minutes on a low flame until the seeds turn golden brown. Add your slit green chilies and chopped pumpkin leaves. Stir and cook them until the leaves are flaccid. Add your khar or baking soda. Cook for another minute. Add a cup of water and open cook it for 20 minutes or until the jackfruit seeds are soft. And here you go, our Kothal Guti Lau Paat Khar is ready. The pumpkin leaves are super delicious, nutritious and blends perfectly with the jackfruit seeds, which adds a beautiful sweet crunchy texture to the dish. So what do you think about the recipe? Please let me know in the comments, and now it's time for me to dig in. Yummy, delicious.